What is this bridge?
Ikaw lang.
Sige. Ay, nako.
Na-miss natin yung kainan, no?
Paano kung pasok dyan?
Ikaw lang, figure out the next time.
Okay, we're entering an soon to be identified bridge. We're going Bursa. We're supposed to eat at KFC.
You know Burger King, oh?
Sarap masyado. Paano kaya mapasok yan?
Ako, next time, wala tayong Burger King dito. Iba ng restaurant, eh.
Tama ba tayo na?
Tama ka.
Ay, kaganda. Pictures ka. May video siya. Video. So nice. We're crossing a very scenic bridge. Second bridge. This is smaller than Bosporus Bridge.
I think it's longer.
Longer to?
It looks sa map. It looks longer.
Dito rin, ikon tayo. Open sea tayo.
Ano to? Parks. Notification. Anong comment mo sa bridge?
Well, the bridge is very impressive. With very strong pylons. Grabe ang concrete to.
It's a sea.
Mom,
your notifications. What is happening? Can you tell them not to message you?
Okay.
Sayang, Burger King sana. Burger King ni Papa, oh. He's so disappointed. Mom, alam mo na mali kami exit kanina. Nag-ikot pa kami. Naman yan, yung parks. Edit na ako ba? Kasi scenic.
Hindi sa mabilis. Bali makita yung ano to.